Ever wonder how Facebook actually pays its creators, whether you're doing reels, live streams, or full-length videos? Here's the full breakdown of how the money gets from Meta to your bank account. First, Facebook pays you through different monetization tools depending on the content you make. Reels play bonus for short-form videos if you're part of their invite-only program. In-stream ads for longer videos where ads appear before or during playback. Stars, fans can send these during lives or reels and each stars earns you money. Fourth would be subscriptions. Funds pay a monthly fee for exclusive access. These tools appear in your professional dashboard when your page qualifies. So once you earn at least $100, Facebook will trigger a payout. Payments are made via direct deposits to your bank account. Payouts typically arrive around the 21st of each month, and you can track everything inside your Meta payout settings. So you can view your earnings in real time using Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. From there, you can update your payment methods, see pending payouts, and download tax forms. And that's how Facebook pays you, through multiple monetization tools and straight to your bank.